Yeah, I like it. I got that on camera, so now you're screwed. All right, go ahead. All right, this is Vince trying his new forehand. It's looking good. He's got good form. Yeah, there he goes. He's got a tighter grip on the racket. That's good. Uh-oh. You look good. What? How do you feel?
Need some work. Oh, you got me on tape. Okay. What I'm trying to do, what I am doing, might be two different things.
Oh, that one went awry.